Creating comics for Kindle distribution and working with a KCC project file. These hold your comic book project for Amazon's e-reader platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Kindle Comic Creator project files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party KCC file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. A KCC file is a project file created by Amazon's Kindle Comic Creator, a tool for authors and publishers to build graphic novels and comics for Kindle devices. Users create KCC files to import artwork, define panels, and add text before exporting the final product as a MOBI file for publication. The KCC file is a proprietary container, likely XML-based or a structured binary format, that saves the project's state. It references external image assets, JPG, PNG, and stores metadata about panel layout, reading order, Kindle Panel View, and book details. This design separates project data from the final compiled eBook. The core professional tool for handling the KCC format is Kindle Comic Creator from Amazon. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows allows basic viewing, but advanced editing options need the appropriate document application. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the KCC file and choose Open With. Use Kindle Comic Creator first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. When your KCC file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the KCC file is refusing to open. First, opening in Kindle Comic Creator. Download Kindle Comic Creator from Amazon's KDP website and install on your Mac or PC. Launch the application and use File then Open Project to load the KCC file. The project loads with all pages, panels, and metadata ready for editing. Continue creating or modifying your comic project for publication to Kindle. Next, building for distribution. Use Kindle Comic Creator's build function to compile the KCC project into Kindle-compatible MOBI or KFX format for distribution. The application processes pages, panels, and reading order, producing optimized output for Kindle devices. Upload the resulting file to Kindle Direct Publishing, along with cover image and metadata for publishing to Amazon's Kindle store. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Kindle Comic Creator has limited active development. For new projects, consider Kindle Create with comic support or third-party tools like Calibre with comic plugins. Export images and metadata from existing KCC projects to migrate to alternative authoring platforms supporting modern Kindle features and ongoing development for future-proof comic publishing workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.